Greetings everyone, welcome back to Sure Learning. Whether we like it or not, human needs a motivation.
As a teacher, are you struggling with falling grades, incomplete assignments or homework, low student motivation and interest, chronic behavior problems, refusal to do work, and the list goes on? Here are some strategies to handle such situations online as well as offline.
Strategy number 1. Choose your system. Start by choosing a reward system that you can personalize for your own classroom. Token-based systems, individual goals are set ahead of time and students earn tangible rewards like
stickers, points or classroom dollars for meeting these goals. Table points. Each table or group earn points collectively while competing against other groups. Class points. The whole class earns points together.
Strategy number 2. Set goals. What do you want your students to achieve? What behavior do you want them to repeat? Make a chart and display it for students. Be clear and positive.
For example, instead of saying no talking in class, write quiet and focus during lesson time. Remember that too many rules can confuse and overwhelm students. Stick to the important behaviors and attitudes that you want to reinforce.
Strategy number 3. Decide on rewards. Rewarding students can sometimes become too tiresome. Keep your rewards simple. You can use some free rewards like
a trip to the treasure box. For example, pencils, stickers, candy, tattoos or other small prizes. Reward cards. For example, free computer time, no shoe in class, swap seat with a friend. Class bucks that can be saved to buy a prize from a classroom store. 15 minutes of computer time, bring a snacks to class, take home a class game.
Strategy number 4. Reward students for positive behavior in the classroom using online application. If your students are doing something positive like paying attention or following the rules, then you can give them a positive reward or you can give them a health points in online application.
Health points are like energy levels in many video games. In online teaching, you can use various applications where they can track record of every individual student's group or complete class.
Similarly, for negative behavior, you can give them negative points or you can take away their health point from the application in online teaching.
If the whole class has full health points for the week, then they can be given 15 minutes of free time that Friday afternoon.
Strategy number 5. Give stars to students. If you observe students doing something positive, you can give star to them or you can appreciate by using one-liner of appreciation.
Download one-liner appreciations handout from the link in the description. You can give stars of being on task, turning in homework, participating in class. One student earn 50 stars. They may choose following reward like bring a toy to class. They can sit at any desk they choose. Take home a class game for a day. Sit at teacher's desk.
I hope these strategies will help you in your classroom teaching. If you like these strategies, then like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for such more interesting technique. Happy teaching!